Okay, we are recording on both. Hello YouTubers out there, this is Norm again, the amateur machinist. And in this short video, I want to show you a ballistic helmet that I made, a homemade ballistic helmet. And describe it to you a little bit. Okay, here it is. Right there. And again, I'm working with two cameras, so I have to position things here so each camera can see stuff well. There it is. It's an old motorcycle helmet that I coated with steel. And the steel that I used was strap iron like this. And I buy this strap iron in 10-foot sections, and I pay 75 cents per foot for it. It works quite well for projects like this. Well, anyway, I took different straps. As you can see, I took different straps and bent them in different places and tack welded them. And I have a series of videos that describes how I made this. And I won't try to describe how I made it in this video. I just want to show you the end result. The visor is, I did not make the visor, I bought that. And it's a ballistic level 3A visor that can stop any handgun ammunition. You can see how thick the plexiglass is here. And it will stop any handgun ammunition up to 44 Magnum because it's level 3A rated. And it works quite well. Oh, and then on top I have a 1/4-inch screw for mounting a camera. Here's the back side of it. You can see some chain in there, and that's the foundation that wraps around the helmet for welding the strap iron to. Now, this helmet looks kind of odd, but it's used I use it for static purposes. I was going to use it on my motorcycle, but it's way too heavy. It's way too heavy for any practical use like that. And so what I will use it for is if home intruders invade my home, I will throw that on real quick along with my neck protector here. I'm gonna put all that on here in a minute just to show you how it all goes together, along with my ballistic vest. At night, if I have a home intrusion, my safe room is safe enough where I'll have a half an hour to get ready before the intruders could get to me. And of course, by then I will have shot them if they are breaking down my barriers, my protection barriers. So I have plenty of time to get ready, and I'm going to illustrate that to you here in a minute. I'm going to turn the helmet upside down so you can see the inside. Like I say, it's an old motorcycle helmet that I used. I cut part of it away. As you can see, I cut part of it away right here to shorten it, and that's the styrofoam that's left. All the other padding that was in it was all torn up and no good anyway. And then I line it with just a winter cap like this. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute, putting it on. So, and then another view there of the ballistic visor. Okay, I'm at 4 minutes now. I want to keep this to be about 5, 6, or 7 minute video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what I'll do in case of a home intrusion. In a home intrusion, I will, first of all, I'll already have this liner in here, the cap. And the first thing I do is I will throw on my ballistic vest right here. And that takes me 10 seconds. Then I'll throw on my neck protector. I got this at a company, and it works real well for protecting the neck. Then I will throw on this. And then I will be behind I will be behind my ballistic shield in my safe room with the gun port, with this sticking out. And the gun port's only about this big. So the gun's pointed through there, bam, 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 bam. And I have a metal shield in front of me that handgun ammunition cannot penetrate. And so, holster this gun again. Okay. Hopefully you were able to hear what I said there. And so I can throw all this stuff on in about, I have it all ready. It's right in front of my metal shield that protects my safe room, or entry into my safe room. And I can slap on this helmet, this neck protector, and this vest in about 30 seconds. I have it all laid out and positioned just right so that I can throw it on. Even if I'm butt naked, I'll have this stuff on. And then I'll do whatever I have to do to save myself from the bad guys. So the main thing, the ballistic helmet. If you want to make yourself one, you got an old motorcycle helmet laying around, well, go to it. Okay, so this is Norm, the amateur machinist, signing off. And I'll be having other videos coming up in the future. Okay. Stop record there, and stop record there.